Dear friends, welcome to Weekly View on Markets. Markets gained over 1% during this week in response to signing of US-Iran peace deal. Nifty and Bank Nifty gained around 1% and broader markets outperformed by gaining around 3% during this week. IT sector lost around 5 to 7%. On Thursday night, Accenture gave poor results and poor guidance for the next year. Because of that, on Friday, IT sector lost around 5 to 7%. I have looked at the charts. The charts are near the resistance level. Next week will be crucial to decide the start of the new uptrend on the charts. FIIs have started buying in small quantities and it will give good support to the markets. At least FIIs selling has come down and that will be a good support for the markets. We may see market scaling new highs in the coming week unless there is some adverse global developments. Nifty has closed at 24,013. It has gained 390 points and it is higher by 1.65% for the week. But on Friday, there was a correction in the Nifty. But overall, that Nifty has closed about 24,000 is a good sign technically. Bank Nifty has closed at 57,685. It has gained 873 points. That is 1.53%. Mid cap index has closed at 62,517. It is almost near the all-time high levels. It has gained 1,749 points. That is 2.88% gain for the week. Small cap index has crossed a crucial level of 18,500 and it has closed at 18,784. It has gained 587 points, that is 3.23%. So small cap index was the outperforming sector during this week. India VIX has cooled off by around 12%. It is at 12.97. All the sectors gained during this week except information technology sector, which lost 1.33% for the whole week. But on Friday itself, it lost around 7%. So that means in the initial days of the week, it had gained. That is why it could cushion off the sharp fall on Friday. Defense sector gained the most with 6.58%. Consumer durables gained around 6.44%. Realty, energy sector all gained 3 to 5%. Infrastructure, public sector companies, manufacturing sector, PSU banks, NBFCs all gained between 2 to 3%. Media sector, commodities sector, FMCG sector, oil and gas, metals, auto sector all gained between 1 to 2%. Remaining sectors were consolidating with small positive gains during this week. There were more advancing stocks than declining stocks during this week. Let us look at the technical charts. This is the chart of Nifty index. If we can see, Nifty index has crossed 24,000 level during this week. It has closed at 24,013. Crossing this 24,000 level is crucial for Nifty index, and if it continues to hold above this level, we will see higher levels coming for Nifty index. If it drops further, then 23,500 followed by 23,000 are the good support levels for Nifty index. This is a chart of Nifty mid cap index. We can see that mid cap index almost touched the all time high. After that, it has given a correction. Now it is again nearing this all time high. And if we look at the chart is giving a very good positive moves. And last week you can see many green candles. So if this momentum continues, then we will see Nifty mid cap index hitting all time high level in the coming week. Nifty mid cap index has good support at around 60,500 and followed by 60,000 levels. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index also has crossed crucial resistance level of 18,500. It has closed at 18,784, and this week it is one of the outperforming sectors. So if this momentum continues, and it is likely to continue by looking at the chart structure, we will see higher levels coming for Nifty small cap index also. This is the chart of Bank Nifty index. These lines I have drawn in the previous week. Now we can see that Bank Nifty index has crossed the crucial resistance level and it has gone up. So it has closed at 57,685. Now this line at around 57,000 will become the support line for Bank Nifty index. And Bank Nifty is also likely to go to the higher levels in the coming week. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic parameters. There is a good sign that FIIs have started buying in small quantities. At least they have stopped selling. If we look at the FII figures for day, on Monday they bought 200 crores, Tuesday they sold, and Thursday they sold. On Friday they bought 4,859 crores. For the full week they have bought 3,386 crores. BIIs continue to buy. On Friday, they sold 1,159 crore. Otherwise, overall for the full week, BIIs bought 7,107 crores. RBI forex reserves for this week is at 671.1 billion US dollars. It is down by 10 billion US dollars during this week. Rupee has strengthened. RBI may have intervened in the forex market by selling dollars. Rupee has strengthened from around 95 level to 94.3 during this week. Dollar index is at 100.7 by the end of this week. Gold price is at 1,48,090 for 10 grams 24 carat. Brent crude price has dropped from around 93 to 80.3 dollars per barrel. It had even come down below 80, and on Saturday it is slightly up to $80.3 per barrel. So lower crude price is good for Indian economy. So it is likely to have impact on inflation. Lower crude price is likely to bring down inflation. Finally, peace deal between US and Iran has been signed in the previous week. We have to wait if it gets implemented and this peace deal sustains. There were reports that Israel has again attacked Lebanon. So we'll have to wait and watch the developments. Hormuz Channel has opened for ship movements, but there is no clarity on the toll charges charged by Iran on the ships. Markets have staged a rally after the peace deal. Charts show strength and indicate further upside in the coming week. Monsoon, which is very crucial for Indian agriculture sector, is delayed this year, and it is a cause for concern. FIIs have stopped selling and they have started buying in small amounts, which is likely to support the markets. If FII buying continues, it will support the markets. Investors have to remain invested for long term to get better returns. Mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs and they will get better returns in the long term. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can refer your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. We will meet again next week. Thank you.